Hello, everyone. Welcome to our calm English time together. Imagine this. You are in a big city, maybe New York, maybe somewhere new. You look around, tall buildings, busy streets, lots of people, and suddenly you don't know where you are. Your phone has no signal. You feel a little lost. Your heart beats faster. What do you do? Who do you ask? What words do you say? Many beginners feel scared in this moment. They want help, but the English words don't come out, or they stay quiet and walk in circles. But guess what? Asking for help is very normal. Everyone gets lost sometimes, even me, even Chris. Today, we will learn simple, polite English phrases to ask for help when you are lost in the city. Very easy words, very slow, no stress at all. Just relax, listen, and repeat when you feel ready. Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Jane. Hi, friends listening at home.
Hi, Chris. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little hungry, but happy to be here.
Me too. I had chai this morning. It was nice.
Chai is the best. Okay, so today is about getting lost and asking for directions.
Yes. Let's start with the most important sentence. When you see someone nice, you can say, "Excuse me." Just, "Excuse me." It's polite. It gets attention.
Yes, not too loud, soft voice.
Listeners, say it with me slowly. Excuse me. Good. Say it again. Excuse me. If you want, say it 3 times. Nice and easy.
After excuse me, what next?
You can say, "I'm lost," or "I'm a little lost." Very simple. People understand right away.
Or, can you help me, please?
Yes, that's very polite. Let me try. Pretend I'm lost. "Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please?"
Sure. Where do you want to go?
"I want to go to the big market."
Okay, I'll show you. See? So easy. Listeners, repeat after me. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please? Pause for a second. Say it again. Good job.
Now, you need to say where you want to go. Common places are the market, the bus stop, the train station, the hospital, my hotel. Let's practice names of places. The market, the bus stop, the train station, the hospital, my hotel. Say with me, "I want to go to the market." "I want to go to the bus stop." Again, if you like.
You can also say the name of the place. I want to go to Anarkali Bazaar, or I want to go to Liberty Market.
Yes, if you know the name, say it. If not, you can show on your phone or point, but words are better.
Another way is, where is the nearest metro station? Or where is the closest bank?
Good ones. Let's practice a small role play. Chris, excuse me,
Yes?
I'm lost. Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's straight ahead. Turn left at the big sign. About 5 minutes walk.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See? Short and clear. Listeners, try it now. Say out loud, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?" Then answer yourself if you want, "It's over there." No one is watching, just practice.
Sometimes people give directions with words like go straight, turn left, turn right, it's on your left, it's next to the red building.
Go straight means walk forward, no turn. Turn left means turn to your left side. Turn right means turn to your right side. It's on the left, it's on the right. It's next to means very close to something. It's near means not far. It's about 10 minutes walk.
Let me give you directions. Excuse me, where is the park?
Go straight for about 2 minutes. Then turn right at the mosque. The park is on your left. It's very big. You can't miss it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, listeners, repeat these direction words. Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's on your left. Say each one slowly, once, twice. Good. If you don't understand the directions, you can say, "Sorry, can you say it again, please?" Or, "Sorry, slowly, please." Very polite.
Yes, people are happy to repeat.
Let's practice. Go straight, turn left, then right.
Go straight, turn left, then right.
Sorry, can you say it again, please?
Sure. Go straight, turn left, then right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Listeners, say, "Sorry, can you say it again, please?" Nice and slow. When you understand and reach the place, say thank you again. Or thanks a lot. Smile too. Smile helps more than words.
True. Smile plus thank you equals happy person.
Okay, let's recap slowly. 1. Excuse me. 2. I'm lost. Can you help me, please? 3. I want to go to the market, bus stop, hotel. 4. Where is the nearest? 5. Go straight, turn left, turn right. 6. It's on your left or right. It's next to. 7. Sorry, can you say it again, please? 8. Thank you very much. You're welcome. 9. Is this the way to? 10. Have a good day. Take care. These phrases work almost everywhere.
And remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. People understand. They see you're trying.
Yes, trying is the most important.
Daily habits to practice. Every day, say, "Excuse me" and "Thank you" 5 times out loud. When you walk outside, imagine you're lost and practice in your head. Watch simple videos about directions and repeat the words. Talk to yourself. "Excuse me, where is the market?" Smile when you practice. It makes you feel better. 5 minutes a day. That's all.
Small steps, big change.
Now, we want to hear from you. In the comments, write one thing. Where are you from in English? Or write a place you sometimes get lost. Or which phrase do you like most today? Excuse me or thank you very much. We read every comment. We will answer.
Also, tell us, have you ever asked for directions in English? What happened? We love your stories.
You are doing wonderful. Just by listening today, you learned something useful. You are brave. You are learning. We are proud of you.
Thank you so much for being here. Take a deep breath, smile. You did great. See you next time. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye.